Sanding wood smooth, smooth. I prepare for the project's next steps. I like to sand all the corners down in order to eliminate splinters. Getting that nice smooth finish we all like. Thanks for watching, and always remember, we learn as we go.